Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing for the May 2026 bargain bead box. I have seen a little bit of reviews of it. I'm very excited to unbox this. I already cut it. So this is called Serengetti Safari. Take a walk on the wild side with an earthy mix of jaspers, agate, and more. Gemstone varieties include leopard skin, brown zebra, red rainbow, and African turquoise jasper, plus Z agate beads and mahogany obsidian. Accents include giraffe line and elephant motifs, plus a selection of sparkling crystals and high-quality findings. These boxes are usually, we pay $24.99 a month for them. This one, it was packaged, estimated retail value is $90.81, so it is a great deal. If you're not familiar with this, I have a coupon code BNJ2 for $2 off your first box with them. So let's see. Oh, so pretty. You can already tell. Oh, look at the little elephants. Oh my gosh. Oh, how cute. Oh, and the giraffes. Oh, I absolutely love this. This is so cute. Oh, let me get everything ready and I will show you. Okay, so we are starting out with a 39mm leopard skin jasper teardrop pendant. Oh, look at this. This is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. This is so pretty. I'm trying to hold it as close to the camera as I can without making it blurry. Look at how pretty this is. Oh, I can't wait to work with this box. Ooh. Okay. Number 2 is 7.5-inch strand of leopard skin jasper tumbled nugget beads. Oh, these are pretty. Look at that. And make a beautiful, beautiful bracelet. Oh, these are so pretty. I'm really excited to work with this month's box. Although the last couple of months I've really been having fun with those too. And number 3 is a 15-inch strand of 8mm shaded brown zebra jasper round beads. Ooh. Look at these. They'd be pretty. You could even just do a couple stretch bracelets if you're into that and call it a day. And you have some really nice jewelry and bracelets. But we're going to do more than that. Okay, so number 4 is a 4.7-inch strand of 10mm zebra jasper faceted coin beads. Oh, gorgeous. I love the faceted coin beads. They're so pretty. Look at that. See, you have all those, that really pretty texture on that side and not as much on that side. Look at these. Oh, so pretty. Lauren has outdone herself again. I say that every month though. And number 5 is a 5-inch strand of 10mm leopard skin jasper round beads. Oh, look at this. I'm trying to hold everything close to the camera so that you can see them. Oh, you're so pretty. Oh, these look fun. Okay, number 6 is a 7.5-inch strand of Z agate dyed heated black white faceted beads. Oh, these are fun. These are a lot of fun. This would make a really pretty bracelet too. Look at all that. Oh my gosh. I can't believe how cheap this box is. It's crazy. Okay, and number 7 is a 7-inch strand of 7 to 8 millimeter red rainbow jasper English cut round beads. Love English cut beads. Look at those. See, they have that sparkle to them because of the way they're cut. So they're like that stone, that earthy, kind of like a muted stone, but yet it's got the sparkle. So pretty. Okay, oh, I love this. Number 8 is 7.5-inch strand of 4 by 2 millimeter African turquoise jasper dyed Hishi beads. I love African turquoise. It's so pretty. And I like them in Hishi beads like this. Look at that. I'm going to use up every bead in this box. I will not rest until every bead is put on jewelry. Okay, number 9 is 7.5-inch strand of mahogany obsidian tumbled nugget beads. Oh, so pretty. Look at that. Oh, so pretty. Okay. Oh. Number 10 is 4.5 millimeter crystal faceted triangle beads in safari mix. Oh, how fun. Oh, and these are very lightweight, which is nice because, you know, a lot of these beads are heavier because they're gemstones. So using these for spacers or for anything you want to put in them, it doesn't add too much, it doesn't add any weight to your jewelry. So if you want to use them for earrings and stuff, oh, very pretty. Okay, number 11 is 7.5-inch strand of 6 by 4 millimeter crystal faceted rondelle beads in champagne shimmer. Oh, these are pretty. Look at that. So pretty. Oh, love. Hope everybody had a great Mother's Day. I did. Number 12 is 38 by 35 millimeter 18 karat gold plated stainless steel giraffe pendant. Look at, oh, I love giraffes. Look at the baby with the mama. So cute. And that's the back side. It's a nice heavy pendant. Oh, I love this. Okay, number 13 is 2 pieces of 20 millimeter freshwater shell links with elephant pattern. Oh, how cute are these? See, it's got a little elephant on it, and there's connectors on both sides, and that's the back of it. Oh, how cute. Oh, how adorable. I love this little safari collection. And number 14 is a 13 by 11 millimeter 18 karat gold plated stainless steel lion bead. Oh, how cute. So it's got the hole at the top. Or no, the hole's on the side. And you can see the little lion face. Oh, how cute is he? And then it's the back. Okay, and number 15 is 2 pieces of 14 by 5 millimeter 18 karat gold plated brass giraffe charms. Oh, how cute are these? How cute are these? And they're all the way around, so no matter how they look and dangle, you see the giraffe. Oh, how cute. Okay, these are cute. Number 16, 2 pieces of 14 by 11 millimeter handmade porcelain elephant beads in ivory glaze. Look at them. Oh, how cute are they? And the holes up at the top. Oh, I love them. Okay, number 17 is 20 pieces of 7 millimeter textured bicone spacer beads in gold. These are pretty. Gotta have a few spacer beads every month. And number 18 is 2 pieces of 18 karat gold plated stainless steel lobster claw clasps. Oh, these are nice. An 18 karat gold. Okay. And last but not least, we have 1 meter of 3x2 millimeter stainless steel cable jewelry chain in gold. You can see, nice, and you can cut this into little sections and use it, or you can use it long. There's so many things you can do with it. I've done everything with this kind of chain. This is really pretty. Yes, Lauren outdid herself this month. So like I said, I have a coupon code BNJ2 for $2 off your first box with them. The monthly boxes are $24.99 and they're usually valued at over $60 a month. This was $90.81. So definitely stay tuned. I will be working very closely with this box and putting a lot of videos up. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell so you get notified. And down at the bottom where you can leave a comment, if you could swipe over to the left and hit hype for hype video, that really helps my search engines. Along with leaving comments, I love reading everybody's comments. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch and leave comments, and it makes me so happy to read them. That, you know, people have copied my jewelry and they love the patterns and they've given them as gifts, and that's what it's all about here on YouTube. So hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you on my next video. Thank you so much and have a great day.